Donna AI Music Generator is a fun, accessible tool that makes creating songs as simple as choosing a mood or genre and letting the AI do the rest. The audio quality is clear, of course. The tracks match their intended style, and even AI vocals are surprisingly pleasant, which makes it appealing for casual creators or social media content. However, its customization and editing are very limited, meaning you can't refine or remix tracks the way you can with more advanced platforms. And some users report inconsistent quality compared to alternatives like, of course, the famous Suno or Top Media. Dona feels more like an entry level app than a professional tool. So the verdict is very simple. Dona AI is worth it if you just want quick, fun music generation, or you just want to experiment these booming music generating AI apps. So for serious musicians, they will find better results with more advanced platforms.